Peace. This is Langston 2092, and right now we're gonna make a deep dish vegetarian pizza. Now, this is something that you can make that's on the go. It's real easy. As you can see, my face is not shaven. I got dishes in the sink. I got children that are hungry. I gotta go to this poetry joint later on, so I'm like rushing it right through, and I'm glad that I'm doing that because you can be able to do the same thing. This is something that's just real simple and easy that you can make that's on the go. So let's deal with the ingredients. You're gonna need red onions, green peppers, red peppers, tomatoes, cooked tomatoes, or rather pre-cooked tomatoes, pre-cooked spinach. Then you're gonna want to season this with whatever you use. What I use is olive oil and garlic salt. You're gonna need dough, of course. Now, if you need the recipe, just let me know. So you're gonna need dough. All right. So here's the other one. So we're gonna first start off with this one. So we're gonna take the cooked tomatoes, dump it on here, like so. Spread these things around. Of course, they got a little mushy, but hey, it ain't nothing. This is our base. We're not using any type of cheese on this pizza. Okay, now we're gonna use the spinach. Put the spinach up there. Taking heat, we want to spread this thing on out. Spread it on out. Show some love, baby. Show some love. Now we're gonna use some green peppers. Drop that joint like it's hot. Ow, ow. Take that, baby. Take that, baby. Now we're gonna put our onions up there. Ah. I love onions. Love them. Now we're gonna take our regular tomatoes that we didn't cook, drop it up there. Bow, bow. Take that, baby. Take it. Take it, baby. Take it, baby. We're gonna preheat our oven at 550, and we're gonna drop them joints in there. And then once the crust is brown and it's nice and juicy looking, we're gonna take that out and see what it tastes like, what we're working with. Let's go. All right, we're about to put the pizzas in there. Let's go. Woo! Ah. And there you have it. I'm glad that y'all are seeing the kitchen off. You know what I'm saying? Because that's how we do it. You know, dishes everywhere. You know, I'm gonna clean this stuff up. But we gonna wait a couple minutes and see how this pizza turned out. Get a taste at it. Let's go. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that right there. Shh. Fuck Pizza Hut, man. Fuck Pizza Hut. Fuck Pizza Hut. Look at that. Fuck Pizza Hut, yo. Fuck Pizza Hut. Fuck them niggas. So let's crack this shit open. Crack this open. Listen to it. Listen to it. Listen to the crust. Ooh, ooh, ooh. 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 Holy shit. You see that? You see that? Shit. Look at this. Look at that crust. My man. Come on, man. Come on. Langston 2092. This was a quick dish. As you can see, I'm in a hurry. I still haven't cut my face. I got places to go, people to see. And this is something real quick that you can cook for you and your family that you all can enjoy.